Nagtitiwala? Yes, nagtitiwala. Siyempre, lumilinaw yung ang hirap magtrabaho ng madilim. Nakuha ninyo? So, imagine if you are the light of that place. Now, ang ganda sinabi niya, that they may see your good deeds. Now, bago tayo punta dyan, ang buhay natin, remember this, don't try to please anybody because you cannot. Kaya sabi nga ng isang well-known actor, ayoko nang banggitin yung pangalan kasi ngayon well-known na siya as pukulong na siya dahil sa sexual harassment. Anyway, blind item. Yung pangalan niya starts with a letter. Now, balik tayo. So, sabi niya, I don't know the secret of success, but I can tell you how you can fail. As in 100% sure. Just try to please everyone. You will surely fail. Nataka din yan. Kaya ang ganda ng sabi ni Paul. Ganito siya mabuhay. For I am now seeking the favor of men or of God, or am I striving to please men? If I were still trying to please men, I would not be a bond servant of Christ. Now, if we truly understand that being happy is to serve Christ, and it serves as a blessing to the rest, to the people. Ito ang ganda. Sabi niya, ito lang, ang idea, ito, sabi niya, you will influence them. You please God, you are a bond servant of Christ. And if you please God, you serve God, you can influence others. Okay, kasi si Jesus is the light. And everyone who walks with Him will no longer walk in darkness. Okay ba? Okay. So, sabi nga nun, pag light ka, good deeds. Tama, show your good deeds. So, pag may good deeds, you are kind. Tama? Ito yung ating outline. Know who you are, integrity, never give up, and devotion. So, kind. Just be kind. Okay? You want to be salty, you want to be bright, just be kind. Ano yan? Know who you are. Ano ka daw? Salt and light. So, kung salt and light ka, sabi nga nun, you are the salt of the earth, you are the light of the world, then understand, ano ang role mo? Sa madaling salita, hindi ka kapareho ng iba. So, kung salt ka, hindi ka pwede magtago sa salt shaker lang. You need to get engaged. Nagkakaintindihan? You know who you are. Yung iba, okay, paano kung magiging mabuting tao, kailangan lumayo ko sa masasama? Hindi totoo yan. Pag lumayo ka sa masasama, humiwalay ka na, hindi, paano malalaman kung ikaw ay asin o hindi? Naman niyo, you need to get engaged. So, paano gagawin mo? Dapat maintindihan mo kung sino ka. You have a different standard. Okay ba yun? Ganito yan. Sabi ng Bible, therefore, look at Paul, I, the prisoner of the Lord, implore you to walk in a manner worthy of your calling. So, anong tawag daw sa'yo? Salt and light. Tama? Pakisahin sa tabi mo. You are the salt. You are the light of the world. Okay? So, huwag mo kakalimutan yun. You are the salt. O, sabi niya. So, dapat, ganito ka. With all humility, with all gentleness, with patience, showing tolerance for one another, in love. So, ano ina-expect sa'yo? As a salt, ano ina-expect sa'yo? Di ba, nagbibigay ka ng flavor? Alam niyo bang sa mundo ito, punong-puno ng inggitan at galit? Sabi na, punong-puno ng kayabangan. Napansin niyo ba yan? Laging nagyayabangan ang bawat isa. Pag sinabi niyo, uy, grabe ang nanay ko. Ay, ang lola ko, ang lakas. Grabe, 80 years old na. Nagbubuhat pa ng isang sakong bigas. Sabi niya, ang hina ng lola mo. Ang lola ko, 90. Magsabi ha. Ang binubuhat, hindi lang isang sakong bigas, 2 tangke ng LPG paakyat ng bahay. Lupit ha? Magkabi ng kamay. Yung isa, wala yung mga lola nyo, ang hihina. Yung lola ko, nasa ospital, 101 years old. Kaya parang naman naging malakas yan at talo sa mga lola namin. Nanganak kambal. Yan ang mundo natin eh. Mayabangan. Eh sabi niya, ang sagot, wag, mapapasaya, hindi nakakatuwa ang payabangan ng atmosphere. Hindi nakakatuwa. Pagandahan ng gamit. Hindi nakakatuwa. Kaya nga yung karamihan sa Facebook, nalulungkot sila, parang tumusunod ng breakfast niya. Grabe, pinicturan pa. Breakfast na katabing table yun. Huwag kang magpapalit mo na. Diba? Sa totoo lang, iniinggit ka. Yan ang mundo natin. Sabi niya, wag, hindi natin kailangan yan. Kailangan, be humble. That's how you bring flavor. Kasi magtataka sila, buti pa to, ang bait nito, mapagpakumbaba, ang sarap kasama. Naintindihan natin? Hindi nagpapayabangan. Alala niyo si Kevin Durant. Pumalis sa Oklahoma City, ano sabi niya? I want to be with a team that's not selfish. O, bakit sila champion? This unselfish team. Kasi bakit? Alam niyo ba, magugulat kayo. Most of them, they claim to be followers of Jesus. They are the salt. The light. Di ba? Kaya ganun ang effect dapat. Pati with all gentleness. Napansin dito. Ang marami nga sa atin, masyado matataas lahat ng boses. Lahat ano yung rude na kung parating. Ano ba? Hindi ka pa gagawin yung trabaho niya? Hindi ka pa marunong? Ha? Diba? Wala na yung mali ka na naman dito. Nasabi ko na sa kahapon yan, di ba? Mali ka. Ano sa araw? Lagi ka na naman mali. Nakakatuwa ka. Diba? Pinasalaso ko. Di ba? Iba yung dating eh. Di ba? Huwag ka makalala. Inilipat na kita ng ibang kumpanya. Kasi hindi mo kuha dito. Sa iba ka. Diba? Ito na ang iyong termination paper. At least hindi pa masama doon. Fuck it. Diba? Sinigawan mo na, nilura mo na, tapos pinalis mo rin. Ang daming alaala ng galit. Naman nyo? Yung pinalis mo pero parang kaibigan ka pa rin. Inirekomenda kita. Diba? Na huwag kang gamit sa iba. Ang totoo niyan, kita nyo, with patience. O diba? Yan ang challenge sa atin. Kaya tingnan nyo, therefore, be imitators of God as beloved children. Walk in love, just as Christ also loved you and gave Himself up for us, an offering and sacrifice to God as a fragrant aroma. Alam niyo kung bakit natin lagi sasabihin love, love? You know what makes us different? Ang understanding ng tao when it comes to love is always to receive. Hindi yan ang totoong love. Real love is always to give. Kahit sa mag-asawa, lagi kong sinasabi, alam niyo kung bakit mga mag-asawa hindi nagiging successful? Because ang idea na give and take. Pero marami, take. Kung gusto nyo maging masaya kayo, may asawa kayo, forget the give and take. Just give. Yun ang love. Di ka ba lugi niyan? Give ka lang ang give. Basta give. Yung take, bonus lang yun. Pero huwag mong expect. Kaya nga, unmet expectation ang sumisira eh. Sa relationship, tama? O tanggalin mo expectation. Wala nang unmet expectation. Just keep on giving. Hindi ka lugi. Nagkaroon ng statistics sa Germany. Yung mga lalaki na humahalik sa asawa tuwing umaga. Yung halik talaga, hindi halik hudas ha. Yung halik talaga. Ito ang talagang dapat aralan. They live longer than those who do not kiss their wives. Siyempre, hindi sila lalas mo din ang asawa. Hindi lang sila that they live longer, they are 50% less prone to vehicular accidents. And even sickness, as noted by police report, and sick leaves. Grabe no? Yung mga humalik sa asawa, bihira makasakit ng 50%. 50%, can you imagine? At they earn 20 to 30% more money than those who do not kiss their wives. Ngayon, alam ko na ba, maraming mahirap sa Pilipinas. Hindi na nga hinahalik ang asawa, humahalik pa sa iba. Naintindihan mo yung sabihin? Yan ang challenge. Kaya nga, sabi ng Bible, learn to love. That's how to be salty. That's how to show light. Kaya sabi niya gano'n, tingnan nyo, but immorality or any impurity or greed must not be even named among you. And is proper among saints. There must be no filthiness, silly talk, or coarse jesting, which are not fitting, but rather giving of thanks. Wala na yung mga reklamo na dinadaan sa joke, walang gano'n. They are always thankful, full of gratitude. Di ba ang sarap na mayroong kasama? Gusto niyo ba yung mga lagi nag-jog-jog na mga green na kasama sa trabaho? Mura ng mura? Walang kakwenta-kwenta pa sinasabi. Ayaw natin yan. Ayaw na, hindi yan nagbibigay flavor. But you being the salt, you You be in the light. That's your calling. Ang dapat. Walang silly talk. Forget jesting or mga coarse joking. Diba? Hindi masamang mag-joke, pero may malilinis na joke. Hindi kailangan marurumi. Nagkakalina tayo? Yan. Tingnan nyo. For this you know with certainty that no immoral or impure person or covetous man who is an idolater has an inheritance in the kingdom of Christ and God. Let no one deceive you with empty words, but because of these things the wrath of God comes upon the sons of disobedience. Therefore, do not be partakers with them. You're different, don't partake with them. You're different, so you were formerly darkness, but now you are light in the Lord. Walk as children of light, for the fruit of light consists in all goodness and righteousness and truth. So simple lang. Yung pang ginagawa mo, matuwid. Ginagawa mo, walang kasinungalingan. Naman niya? O yun na, di alam niya na. O, yung bang ginagawa natin makakabuti sa iba. Yun, sa liwanag tayo. Kami yan, trying to learn what is pleasing to the Lord. Learning, do not participate in unfruitful deeds of darkness, but instead even expose them, for it is disgraceful even to speak of the things which are done by them in secret. Sabi niya, but all things become visible when you are exposed by the light. For everything that becomes visible is light. For this reason it says, awake, sleeper, arise from the dead, and Christ will shine on you. Therefore, be careful how you walk. Not as unwise men, but as wise, making the most of your time, because the days are evil. Do not be foolish, but understand what the will of the Lord is. And listen to this. Do not get drunk with wine, that leads to dissipation, but be filled with the Spirit, speaking to one another in song, hymns, spiritual song, singing, making melody with your heart to the Lord, always giving thanks for all things in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, to God, even the Father, and be subject to one another. So ano palatandaan? Na punong-puno ka ng liwanag. Always giving thanks. Always full of songs in the heart. Okay po? Yun naman yung katabi mo. Sabi, ikaw, nakasin at liwanag. Okay? Kaya taglay-taglay mo ang ngiti sa iyong mga labi. Di ba? Ang mga mata mo, bumubungan. Hindi sa anto. Hindi sa bakit? This is the song and life. Ito pagdagdag niya ng Lord. Sabi niya, brethren, you are not in darkness that they would overtake you like a thief. For you are all sons of light and sons of day. We're not of night nor of darkness. So let us not sleep as others do. So yan, nagsasama niya yung footnote. But let us be alert and sober. For those who sleep, do their sleep at night. And those who get drunk at night. But since we are of the day, let us be sober, having put on the breastplate of faith and love, and as a helmet, the hope of salvation. For God has not destined us for wrath, but for obtaining salvation through our Lord Jesus Christ, who died for us. So whether we are awake or asleep, we will be together with Him. Therefore, encourage one another, who build up one another, just as you are also doing. So, ang ganda na mga paalala sa atin, no? Parang, always encourage, always give thanks. Yun ang liwanag. Sino dito magkakasama sa trabaho? Okay. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, alam mo, very encouraging ka. Kung totoo. Diba? Kung hindi, mag-pray natin na ako na. Mag-pray natin na. Hindi niya pagdagdag, ha? Hindi niya pagdagdag. Sabi niya, so then, my beloved, just as you are always obeyed, not in my presence only, but how much more in my absence? Tuloy natin. Work out your salvation. Sabihin, ilabas po, ipakita mo yung salvation na yun. With fear and trembling. For it is God who is at work in you, both to will and to work for His good pleasure. And look at this. Do all things without grumbling or disputing, so that you will prove yourself to be blameless and innocent. Children of God, above reproach in the midst of a crooked and perverse generation, among whom you appear as lights in the world. Grabe, no? Ano daw papakita? Yan. Kapag reklamado, walang saya yun. Tama? Kung walang saya, obviously, hindi siya pwedeng maging asin at ilaw. Kaya, sabi mo sa katabi mo lang, salamat sa Diyos dahil kasama ka na sa trabaho at hindi ka reklamado. Diba? Okay ba? Hindi pa nagre-reklamo kayo. Parang bakit tayong nagkasabihan dito Kaya sabi ng Bible, this is the message we heard from Him and announced to you. God is light, and in Him there is no darkness at all. Meron pa kayo papakita sa inyo kung paano yung light. But if we walk in the light, as He Himself is the light, we have fellowship with one another, and the blood of Jesus Christ cleanses us from all sin. On the other hand, I'm writing to you a new commandment, which is true in Him and in you, because the darkness is passing away and the true light is already shining. The one who says he's in the light and yet he hates his brother is in the darkness until now. The one who loves his brother abides in the light, and there is no cause for stumbling in him. Gusto yung malaman, sabi niya kung talaga sa liwanag ka. Alam niyo ba sinabi yung galit sa kapatid? Hindi yung galit na masama loob, hindi ganun. Yung wala ka lang pakialam. Kasi ang tawag doon sa love, apathy, yung hate, hindi, hatred, apathy ang kalaban ng. Pag sinabing hate your brother, wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Bahala ka, kahit malagdag ka dyan, bahala ka. Matanggal ka dyan, hindi niya sasabihan kasi wala siya pakialam. Nagugutom siya, mag-pray ka na. Mabubusog ka din. Dahil hindi niya binibigyan ng pagkain, kahit meron siya, walang pakialam, hatred yun. Kaya ang taong nasa liwanag, ano sabi? May malasakit. Okay? May malasakit. Okay po? Masabi mo sa tabi mo. Salamat Ikaw kasi ang liwanag. Kaya tayo mag-influensya. If you don't lead, you lead. So ano naman itong integrity na to? Live out your being. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng, okay, alam ko na, asin ako. Alam ko na, anong liwanag ako. Pero hindi, kailangan yung kabuuan mo, ilabas mo. Tingnan nyo. Sabi din nun, but if the salt loses its saltiness, how can it be made salty again? It is no longer good for nothing. I don't care if you say you're salt, but if you're not salty, you're not still acting as a salt. Tama? Ito pang sabi niya, you are the light of the world. The city on the hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Huwag mo itago yung liwanag. Ilabas mo. Yung iba, secret agent. Yung parang, ito niya, nasin ako eh. Pero sasabihin sa iba, kakahiya, nakakala nila, religious freak ako. Hindi ang religious freak. Ang religious freak, yung mga pa-religious, tapos ang buhay naman sa liwa sa sinasabi. Di ba? Yung iba sabi niya, huy, ano ka ba? Dapat tayo laging thankful sa Diyos. Hay, ang trabaho mo. Ayan, napisip mo. Kasasabi niya, maging thankful. Ang point na, napaka-inconsiderate, napaka-mean. Maraming ganyan. Masarap pa ka, nag-Bible study pa ka eh. Ano sa Bible? Love one another. Sabi ng konti, biglang may uy, hinahanap ka ni Sir, hindi mo parang nasasabi ito, si Sir, Bible study dito eh. Yung combo. Maraming ganyan ha? Kaya tuloy, sa halip na makuha sila, ay inis sila. Kasi hindi asin eh. Hindi rin liwanag ang pinapakita. Tama? Okay, so, ano dapat mong gawin? Tingnan ninyo. Sabi niya, hindi ibig sabihin ito parang, parang pasiga-siga, parang, kasi maraming ganyan, yung parang, uy, grabe kayo, katamad ninyo, masama na, kaya mo kami mga asin. Iwana. Walang gano'n, hindi gano'n. Dapat intindi mo sila. Hindi yung parang, grabe, inuman kayo ng inuman, sasamahan nyo. Lahat, pinupo na, pati damit, pinupo na. Grabe ka. Bakit ka ganyan magdamit? Kita ang puso mo. Okay na yan. Linisan mo na lang. Sa totoo lang. Masyado tayo ang iba. Lahat pinupo na yung panlabas. Hindi tinitingnan mo na yung bakit nga ba ang ikli ng damit mo? Bakit makita ang puso mo? Kaya mapapansin na yung iba, hindi nila gusto. Ganyan nga sila ng ganyan. Nagkataon lang, lumaki na sila. Ay, wala na silang bakit damit. Kumain na. Hindi na sinasabi niyan. Kaya nga, sabi ko, the weak I became weak, that I might win the weak. I have become all things to all men, so that I may by all means save some. I do all things for the sake of the gospel, so that I may become a fellow partaker of it. Do you not know that those who run in the race and all run, but only one receives the prize? Run in such a way that you may win. So in other words, itudo mo yung pagkatao mo, yung pagiging asin mo, pagiging ilaw mo, para manalo ka. Pero you learn to adjust. Paano ba ito gagawin? Kunyari, paano ako mag-aakala sa sa mga taong maalam ka. Iba rin ang paraan mo. Ano ako magliliwanag sa mga taong bulag? Iba rin ang paraan mo. Ano mo yung sabihin? Meron ang kanya-kanyang liwanag na ipapakita. Hindi mo kaya i-adjust mo as you are para makatulong ka sa iba. Kaya sabi ni Paul, everyone who competes in the game exercises self-control in all things. Then they do it to receive a perishable wreath, but we an imperishable. Therefore I run in such a way, not without aim. I box in such a way as not beating the air. I discipline my body and make it my slave. So tayo mismo, we discipline ourselves to make sure ilabas natin kabuuan kung sino tayo. Okay? Balikan mo ulit na tabi mo. Ikaw asin at liwanag. Be kind. Be kind. Bring out your whole you. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng integrity. Integere. Whole number. Hindi fraction. Okay? Yung buo mong pagkatao. If you don't lead, you bleed. Now, you don't give up. Alam nyo, hindi madali ang maging magpasensya, hindi madali maging gentle. Minsan okay kasi sa araw, sa pangalawang araw, hindi na. Napansin nyo yan? Minsan parang, mapagpasensya ka ngayong araw na to, bukas hindi. Minsan, nag-uunahan sa elevator. Nandun ka na, unang-una ka dumating. Tapos na nagbukas na, tapos hulihan ka na. Parang, okay na. Sensya na, sige po, mga na. Pero, pangalawang beses na ulit ka naman, mauna na kayo. Pag pangatlo na, sige na, mauna na kayo, makapalan mo kami. Ano yung kabago? Kasi hindi na laging pasensyoso. Paano gagawin mo? Huwag ka mag-give up. Huwag ka mag-give up. Tuloy mo na. Kaya sabi ng Bible,